Children, now I am going to tell you about workbook exercises. Children, open your workbooks, page number 24. The earth lesson. See here, children, color the letters of every word in the sentence represent a planet in our solar system. Label the planets. Color the letters of every word in the sentence represent a planet in our solar system. See here, children. Meena. Here M-E letters, colored M-E letters. Very, V-E color letters. Easily, E-A color letters. Makes. Here colored letter M-A. Jaggery. Here color letter J. Sweets. Here colored letter S. Using. U colored letter. Nothing. N colored letter. Okay, children, already you learned about our solar system in explanation of lesson. How many planets in our solar system, children? 8 planets. What are they? First one, Mercury. Second one, Venus. Third one, Earth. Fourth one, Mars. Fifth one, Jupiter. Sixth one, Saturn. Seventh one, Uranus. Eighth one, Neptune. Mercury start with M-E letters and Venus start with V-E letters. Earth start with E-A letters. Next, Mars start with M-A letters. Jupiter start with J letter. Saturn start with S letter. And Uranus start with U letter. And Neptune start with N letter. Okay, children? Now label the planets, children. Right here, first planet name Mercury. Mercury spelling, children. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. Write neatly, children. First letter M, capital letter. M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. Second planet, children. Venus. V, capital letter. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. Next, third planet. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Earth is our home planet. Fourth one, children. Mars. M-A-R-S. Mars. M-A-R-S. Mars. Fifth planet. Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Jupiter. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Jupiter. Sixth planet. Saturn. S-A-T-U-R-N. Saturn. S-A-T-U-R-N. Next, seventh planet. Uranus. U-R-A-N-U-S. U-R-A-N-U-S. Uranus. Next, eighth planet. Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. N-E-P-T-U-N-E. Neptune. Okay, children? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. See here, children. Sangeeta celebrates her birthday once in 4 years. Can you guess the month and the date of her birth? Can you guess the month and the date of her birth? Children, how many days in a year? 365 days. which comes once in 4 years? Leap year. How many days in a leap year? 366 days. How many days in February month, children? 28 days. February month has 28 days in normal year. How many days in February month leap year? February has 29 days in a leap year. A normal year has 365 days, whereas a leap year, which comes one in 4 years, has 366 days. February has 29 days in a leap year. Okay. Sangeeta's birthday date, guess children? February 29th. Okay children, February 29th, Sangeeta's birthday date. February 29th comes once in 4 years. Right here, February 29th. February spelling February, February 29th. February, February. February, February. Date 29th. Month February. Date 29th. Sangeeta's birthday date. Next children, how many revolutions do you think the earth completed since your birth? Children, how old are you? 8 years old. How old are you? 8 years old. The earth motion along an orbit is called revolution. Earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution. Hence, a normal year has 365 days. Okay, children? 365 days. How many days in a year? 365 days. One revolution completed 365 days. The earth takes 1 year to complete one revolution. How old are you? 8 years old. So, how many revolutions completed since your birth? 8 revolutions complete. Right here, 8 revolutions. Right here, children, 8 hyphen revolutions. 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 8 revolutions. 8 revolutions completed since your birth. Next page, children. Complete the flowchart with components of the earth. Earth divided into 2 components, living component and non-living component. Living component, biosphere. Non-living components divided into 3 types: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Okay children, right here. See here children, living, living, components, components, living, living, components, components, and non-living components, non-living, living, components, non-living components, non-living, living, components, non-living components. Living components, biosphere, biosphere, Biosphere. B-I-O-S-P-H-E-R-E. Biosphere. Next, non-living components divided into three types: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Lithosphere. 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 Next, hydrosphere. 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 Atmosphere. 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 Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Earth divided into two components: living components and non-living components. Living components, biosphere; non-living components, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Children, if you have any doubts, check once course book. Course book page number 27. Okay, children. Next, mention the names of the great Indian astronomers. Children, you have learnt about great astronomers in explanation of lesson. Aryabhatta, Varahamihara, Bhaskara. See here, children. Aryabhatta. 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 A capital letter, children. Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta. Second one, children. Varahamihara. Varahmihira. Varahamihira. Varahmihira. V capital letter, children. Next, Bhaskara. I. Bhaskara. Bhaskara. I. Bhaskara. Bhaskara. I. Aryabhatta, Varahamihira, Bhaskara. I. The great Indian astronomers of the early period like Aryabhatta, Varahamihira and Bhaskara I revealed many startling facts about the earth. These three astronomers, our great Indian astronomers, children. Okay, children. Aryabhatta, Varahamihira, Bhaskara I are great Indian astronomers. Next exercise, children. Differentiate between the rotation and revolution of the earth. Children, I will explain next class this exercise, children. Okay, children. Thank you. I will meet in the next class with differentiate between the rotation and revolution of the earth.